Are you frequenting the toilet in the middle of the night, or do you find that your urine flow is not as strong as it normally is? There is a possibility that these symptoms indicate that you are one of the numerous men who suffer with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which is a medical term for an enlarged prostate as well. This ailment can greatly disturb your day-to-day life, and in order to effectively manage its symptoms, it is often necessary to make adjustments to your lifestyle, particularly with regard to the beverages that you consume. It is a startling reality that certain beverages that are commonly consumed might actually make the symptoms of an enlarged prostate even more severe. In order to prevent your illness from becoming even worse, it is essential to be aware of which beverages you should steer clear of. Let's get into the specifics of what those beverages are and how choosing the appropriate decisions can have a significant impact on the outcome. For a great number of people, the idea of beginning their day without a cup of coffee is inconceivable. Caffeine, which is included in coffee and is known for its diuretic qualities, on the other hand, cause an increase in the amount of urine that is produced and can also cause irritation to the bladder. An individual who has an enlarged prostate should be especially concerned about this impact because it has the potential to greatly increase the number of times they need to go to the toilet. In the event that the idea of removing coffee from your daily routine appears to be intimidating, there are other options to take into consideration. Choosing a coffee variety with a lower acid content or gradually decreasing the amount of caffeine you consume are both potential ways that can be beneficial. Furthermore, it can be beneficial to experiment with various brewing techniques, such as cold brew, in order to achieve the desired results. Cold brew, which is known for having a profile that is smoother and less acidic, not only provides a gentler choice for your bladder, but it also maintains the essence and enjoyment of your daily coffee ritual, while also being more beneficial to the health of your prostate. If you are someone who drinks tea, it is possible that it is time to reconsider your chosen beverage, particularly if it contains caffeine. Teas, including black and green types, contain caffeine, which can cause an increase in the amount of urine that is produced. This type of tea is similar to coffee. Individuals who are dealing with an enlarged prostate may find this to be a cause for concern. Herbal teas, on the other hand, offer a soothing solution to the situation. A number of herbal teas, like chamomile and peppermint, are well known for their relaxing effects, and they often do not include caffeine. These teas have the potential to be very effective as they have a calming impact on the bladder and give therapeutic benefits. By making the move to these caffeine-free alternatives, you will be able to take pleasure in the warmth and comfort of a cup of tea without causing any harm to the health of your bladder or prostate. Although orange juice is commonly praised for the high amount of vitamin C that it contains, it is possible that it is not the best choice for people who have an enlarged prostate. There is a possibility that the high acidity that is present in citrus liquids, including orange juice, has the capability of causing irritation to the bladder and making urinary symptoms worse. In addition, a significant number of commercial orange juices had added sugars, which may be a factor in the development of inflammation. Make an effort to consume fruit juices that have a lower acidity level, such as apple or pear juice, as an alternative that is better for your health. These juices are a good source of necessary nutrients, and they also have a lower chance of having a detrimental impact on the healthcare of the prostate. When it comes to managing the symptoms that are connected with an enlarged prostate, making this switch can be a step one that is both straightforward and successful. As a rapid source of energy, energy drinks are becoming increasingly popular. However, this trend comes with its own set of complications, particularly for individuals who have an enlarged prostate. In addition to making urinary symptoms worse, the high quantities of caffeine and sugar that are included in these beverages can also cause dehydration, which is especially worrying for the health of the prostate. Additionally, energy drinks frequently include stimulant components such as taurine and guarana in their product formulations. Compounds like this have the potential to increase the negative effects on the prostate. The combined effects of caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants found in energy drinks make them a less desirable option for maintaining prostate health. This indicates that vigilance is required, and it may be necessary to look for alternatives to energy drinks that are healthier and less stimulating. The consumption of alcohol, which is frequently used as a way of relaxation, can also bring issues, particularly for individuals who have an enlarged prostate. Because of its diuretic effects, it causes an increase in the amount of pee that is produced, which may make urinary symptoms worse. Moreover, Alcohol has the potential to irritate the bladder and may also contribute to inflammation. Consuming alcohol in moderation is an essential component of responsible drinking. One way to mitigate the drying effects of alcohol is to select beverages that contain a lower percentage of alcohol and to make sure that appropriate amounts of water are consumed. Being aware of these aspects can help in the management of prostate health in a more effective manner, while at the same time allowing for occasional indulgences regarding alcohol consumption. It is essential to have an understanding that different kinds of alcohol might have distinct effects on the health of the prostate. Not only is it great for your prostate, but it is also beneficial for your general health if you reduce the amount of alcohol you consume. Reducing the amount of potential irritants that are consumed and maintaining greater hydrated are also benefits of this. It is necessary to take a holistic approach in order to effectively manage the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. One of the most important aspects of this approach is being cautious about the beverages that you consume. If you avoid drinking liquids that could make your urinary symptoms worse, you are actively contributing to a better quality of life for yourself and your family. In addition, it is essential to acknowledge that the body reacts differently in each individual, which is why it is essential to pay attention to how particular beverages influence your symptoms. It is recommended that you seek personalized counsel and assistance from a healthcare professional if you are concerned about the health of your prostate. This is because the professional can give you with insights and recommendations that are tailored to your specific circumstances.